get every reaction. Now, if you are now relating to married couple, husband and the wife, remember the wife is the opposite of the husband, but two of them are complementary. When we are talking about family, you have husband, you have wife, now offsprings. So that is the same way with oxidation and reduction reaction. Where there is oxidation, there is reduction. One loses, we talk about electron losses and we talk about gaining of electron. One will be losing electron, the other one will be accepting the electron. That is just a little picture about oxidation and reduction. Both of them are opposite, yet they are complementary. Oxidation, we will define the first one in terms of addition of oxygen. Let us take definition of oxidation in terms of addition of oxygen. Addition removed from here to here. So it is what? Oxidation reaction. Whereby this chlorine standing alone, hydrogen has been added to it in this reaction, which is what? Reduction. Just mind you that we have two parts in the chemical equation. I've said that before. Reactant side and product side. Just compare what you have at the reactant side and compare what you have at the product side. You understand where a substance has been added or where another substance has been what? Removed. I will screenshot this thing and attach to the video so that you see the notes even as you prepare to download the full notes. Okay, let us now addition of electronegative elements. But the question is, what is electronegative element? Electronegative elements are those elements that have the greatest tendency to attract electrons to themselves. If, for example, fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. So if any substance is reacting with fluorine, be rest assured that the electron cloud will be more closer to fluorine because it has the greatest power to attract electrons to itself. So when those elements are added to a substance, it is an oxidation reaction. But when those elements are removed from a substance, it is a reduction reaction. It's not only fluorine that is electronegative element. You have fluorine and all the most anions. They are all electronegative. But the most electronegative in the periodic table remains fluorine. So that is the definition of oxidation and reduction reaction. We will go into the modern definition, which will take us some time to prove, because having understood what we said now, if you try to compare it with the modern definition, it will look as if it is confusing. But I have every illustration to put you through those definitions. Stay tuned.